What's going on YouTube? If you made it to this video, you're probably having issues running the new Canon WebCam utility, and that's the EOS version, but fortunately for you, I have an easy fix for that, so let's get rolling. Alright, so one of the problems was I was looking through the internet and I could not find why, after doing the setup, I couldn't get my camera to display on OBS. So it's an easy, quick fix, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Switch your settings all the way to about manual mode. This will give you all the settings available, and then come down to your menu button. Once you hit your menu button, all right, once you get to your menu button, you're going to navigate to the setting that gives you the option to enable or disable your Wi-Fi. What you're going to do is click on this, and I already have mine disabled, but if you didn't, it would be enabled. So you move over to disable and click it, and now you'll see that my Wi-Fi is disabled. And if you were connected to your computer, what you'll need to do is disconnect from the computer and then reconnect to it and restart your streaming software or your OBS or Zoom or whatever you're using, and you should be able to see your video feed. It is a beta product, so still be aware that you may have some hiccups with it, but it's a good alternative to actually having to buy one of these expensive and prices. So I hope this helped you, and if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and check out some of the other new videos I have on my channel.